YouTube, what's good with y'all boys, man? How y'all been? I did skip a little bit part of my intro today, but it's cool. It's whatever. Y'all should already know who it is. So today, man. This should have a little night POV drive for y'all. I ain't get this to y'all in a minute. Probably since like Christmas time. It's been like 2 months since then. So little swing action for y'all. Little swing action. I can't even fucking really see all the smoke that's back there. There's a lot of smoke back there, but yeah, a little swing action for y'all. Damn, the seatbelt tightened up like shit. Damn. But yeah, man, what I want to say to y'all today, man. What I want to say to y'all today. Damn, what's something I can say to y'all? Hey, so look, all I'm gonna say today, man, I'm not even gonna give y'all like a full-fledged yapping session, a lot of yapping. What I really want to say today is just keep pushing forward, bro. No matter what you do, keep pushing forward. That's all you can do in this world is keep pushing forward. You can't dwell on the past. The more you dwell on the past, the more you fuck yourself up. So just keep looking forward, keep one foot in front of the other, and keep pushing forward. That's all I can say about that one. That's all my yapping for today. If I think of something else, I'll definitely say it. But for right now, that's my yapping session. I like them taillights. I ain't gonna lie to you. I like that shit. Ugly ass car, but I like them taillights. Damn, loud ass fucking. Why the fuck did I have this shit up so much? But yeah, man. It is 7:39. I'm in the Cat RT. But yeah, man. We just giving y'all a POV drive. I really miss doing this shit, for real. I'm trying to get back. Why the fuck does the Prius have fucking what? Vegas people, bro. I really do. But back to what I was saying. I really do miss doing this shit every like 3 days, giving y'all a video. I did take a mental break from everything, so I really just chilled out. I really been in the crib lately, so that's the reason why I haven't been uploading. But back on my shit, back on my grind. Finna get some gas, bro. I don't know if I should like just go to like a different gas station. I've been going to this gas station as of lately. There is cheaper gas stations that I can go to, but hey, that's none of my business.
It's none of my business. It's none of my business. Okay.
So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and hit this gas station up, and I'm gonna go from really there. Try to see what the fuck I can get myself into tonight. I don't have work until like 11 p.m. tomorrow, so I really don't gotta be. Is that the police? No, it's not. Alright, I had to see if that was fucking police. I didn't know. That shit looked like Ford Explorer headlights. I had to make sure like niggas wasn't behind me. That's not somebody I want behind me right now, especially the fact that I'm recording a video. So yeah, I'm gonna hit up this gas station. I'm gonna fill my tank up. I ain't filled my tank up fully in a cool minute either. That's how you know I've been in the crib, because I just been filling my shit up to half a tank and I've been leaving it there. Literally just leaving my shit there. It's a nice little Durango up there. You better not do it. I was about to say, if this nigga turns in front of me and goes slow, I swear to God. Bro, why the fuck this fucking gas station always packed? Knock out some gas. Damn. Prices is high. If you drive a fucking Charger and you know how much 91 is, I swear to God, you feeling my pain right now. Cause I ain't even pumped the gas yet. And I know that this shit is finna be a grip. Like a firm grip. Like that shit finna grab my pocket and strangle me. All right, YouTube. So we are back. I did spend like fucking, what was that, $60? So it wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad. I thought it would have been worse. No cap. I thought it would have been worse. I guess this gas station is cheaper. I think that should say $4.39 or some shit. Yeah. So I paid $4.79. So I was already at a half tank. So I guess that works out, but not really. It really doesn't work out. It works out, but it doesn't work out at the same time. Because I was paid $60 for a half tank. But yeah, man, now we finna really just make a nigga way back home type shit. Should I take the long way home? I don't know. I'ma take the long way home, ugly eye. But yeah, man, I am back on my grind, man. I have a lot of videos I need to pump out for y'all. Hey, if you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram right now at GGkevoh. Follow me on Instagram at GGkevoh. I did ask the people that do follow me right now, what did y'all want to see? So that is one thing I am going to be doing. So everything that y'all wanted to see me do on camera, I was going to do it. I have to find a day to do some of the videos, because some of them are certain. Some of the suggestions that y'all gave me are not something that I usually go do. Right? So it's not something I usually go do. It's not something I go to. Like there's certain events that y'all requested me to go to that are not me, but I'm gonna still do it for y'all because y'all want to see it. So yeah, I'll be taking. Okay, so let me just explain which one y'all wanted to see. Y'all wanted to see me go to a fucking slideshow. Slideshows is not me, but I will go to one just because y'all want me to go to one. So I will find a day and I'll find a slideshow for y'all so we can all go. I can take y'all with me to a slideshow. A legal pit, I guess. Most likely. Hey, buddy. Get on the right side of the fucking street. See? That's what we talking about. Minivans, bro. Minivans just be wildin'. Because why was you in the middle of the street? Like it was a one-way street. Like, it wasn't a one-way street, bro. Put your ass on the right side of the fucking street. Damn, these downshifts sound perfect. Oh my God. I need to chill out because I ain't got no tires. Your boy been burning out so much, bro. I dead ass ran out of tires. Well, I wouldn't say I ran out of tire, but like my tire getting kind of slick. I'm out here running slicks on one side because, yeah. Y'all see what I be saying, bro. It don't be me. In real life, don't be me. Niggas just don't be on the right side of the road. That's the second person, bro. That nigga is swerving, bro. When I say that nigga is real life swerving, and he driving slow as shit. Nigga driving slow and he's swerving. Like, bro, what? And niggas be talking about I be driving bad. Like, I don't drive bad at all. I drive fucking perfectly fine. It's just niggas out here, they be either drunk or just fucked up. Like, they be drunk or they just can't drive. One of the two, bro. Like, they always doing some nut shit. But yeah, man, I need to clean my car. My shit's still, well, I need to clean the inside of my car. So I need to go to a car wash with a vacuum. So I might end up hitting up Suds. Because that's all I really need it for. I just need the vacuum. I need to vacuum. I can wash my car, but then again, I just washed it, so it's only been probably 3 days since the last day I washed it. I washed it on Valentine's Day, and it's the 18th, so that's not 2 days. Yeah, that's not 2 days, nigga. That's fucking, what's Valentine's Day, the 13th? So what is that? 5 days? It's been a week since I washed my car. It's been a week, and my car still looks perfectly fine. It's just dusty. So, oh, the V6 is out today, I guess. But yeah, man, say, man, bro, are y'all hearing my car, bro? Like, let me let y'all hear it just one more time. Like, y'all hear this shit, bro? Y'all not hearing me. Y'all not hearing me. I don't think the camera is doing much justice on how much y'all not hearing me. Not hearing me, bro. Like this hear this motherfucker, bro. I'll say loud as RT. I say. And what the fuck is that? Nigga, that's a fake ass 392. Because he got 392 on the fucking side, but that shit's a 345. So it's what the fuck was that noise? It's RT, regardless of what the fuck that noise was. I don't know what the fuck that noise was. That shit just low-key scared the shit out of me because I just heard something pop. Don't know what it was. But yeah, it say 392 on the side, but it got the SXT fucking front bumper, and I know because that's a 2018 fucking shit that they fucking do. So it's either up badged to a 392 up badge, or it's a RT. But yeah, man, say, man, I do need to. I'm gonna hop my black ass over. Because, yeah, I'm gonna go home and fucking change. Let me get the fuck out these clothes. I did go to AutoZone to get some fucking oil. Oh, you can't even fucking see the fucking oil. I got some oil because, like, my fucking oil pressure been fucking high. And I don't know if maybe that's because my car ain't been fully warmed up yet, but this is normal. Like, this is how my shit supposed to look. But as of lately, when I start this bitch up, and like, even if I've been driving it for like a cool, like, probably 10 minutes, 10, 20 minutes, right? I let the car warm up and fucking drove for 10, 20 minutes. My shit'll be at like 40, 45, bro. And that shit's not normal. I've never seen my car do some shit like that. So like, I got some more oil. I put some more oil in there. So I don't know if maybe that was the reason my oil pressure was low. Well, not low, but high. I like my oil pressure at a certain fucking point. If it goes anything higher than that, then I'm fucking stressed. So like, this shit is normal. It's like 55 to fucking probably 45 would be fucking normal for me, for my car at least, because that's where I've seen it at. So anything higher than that, I'm stressed. But did they just redo this fucking street or some shit? I think they just redid this street. Because why the fuck is it two different colors? Y'all still not hearing my car though. Let's be real. Y'all not hearing me. But alright, because I said last time I'm trying to save gas. So this would be the reason why I don't save gas. So y'all see why I don't save gas? Because I say I'm trying to save gas. I'm not in eco mode. Let's be real. I'm not in eco mode. I'm in sports mode. And I'm riding fucking first gear. Like, how the fuck am I saving gas? I'm not saving gas, bro. Like, I've been trying to save gas, but I'm not. Like, you hear me? This big ass dip right here. Hey, this how you know you driving slow as shit. Either that or they got pulled over before over here. Hey, what y'all think about me getting the burble tune? I don't think it's worth it. I kind of want to tune my shit for performance, but how would y'all feel about burble tune on the RT? How would y'all feel? Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know. Let me know down in the comments. What the fuck is that in the street? Oh my God. But yeah, man, this will be the end of this video, because I don't want to show y'all where I live. I mean, even though y'all know where the fuck I live, y'all figure that shit out if y'all really want to find out. But this will be the end of this video. I'll be catching y'all on the next one, and I'm out.